We'll start by defining a coordinate system with A as the center, rather the origin, and the x-axis along EC and y-axis along EB. That gives us the circumcenter as the midpoint of BC and the circumradius as root 10 by 2, which is half of the distance BC. So now we have the circumcenter, which is centered at the circle centered at 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and this circle with radius r which touches it internally. So the condition for that is the distance between the centers. Also the center of this circle would be r comma r, because it touches both x-axis and y-axis in this coordinate system, and it's in the first quadrant. So the distance would be r minus 3 by 2 squared is equals to the larger radius, which is root 10 by 2, minus the smaller radius r. Squaring both the sides, we'll get equals to so this gets cancelled out. We are left with r square equals to r into 4 minus root 10, which gives us r equals to 4 minus root 10. Another straightforward and routine question.